or move around. And also, there's a lot of things I could talk about while I'm talking on this video. Like, thinking about it now, I like a lot of different singers. Like, I'll name a few. Aiden Colorfire, Isaiah Firebrace, Taylor Swift, and who else? Daddy Freya, of course. And I like to watch creative things, and I find these artists I just mentioned very, very, very creative and unusual. I'm also into music. I'm still learning. I've got a guitar at home and piano at home, but yeah, I'm still learning. I'm also into art as well. So I'm a creative person, and I know I say the word a lot, but I'm trying to get better at talking on camera, which I'm good at. Also, I'm gonna do something I've never done before. I'm just gonna sing some random things. I'm in Altona. I'm on the Altona pier, and I don't want to go too far, but I think there's someone swimming in the water, and I'm going to end this video now. Goodbye!